Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my videos, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and even press the bell button to get the regular updates. In the last video, we have discussed about what is a transmission medium and why it is required. And then we have discussed that the transmission medium is classified into guided transmission medium and unguided transmission medium. The guided transmission medium, we will use it in the wired communication, and unguided transmission medium, we will use it in wireless communication. Again, the guided transmission medium is classified into three types. One is that twisted pair cables, coaxial cables, and fiber optical cables. The unguided transmission medium is classified into two types such as microwaves and infrared. So I hope you have watched that video. If you did not watch that video, I request you to go and watch that video and come back to this video for better understanding. In this video, I want to discuss about the twisted pair cables in detail and how many types the twisted pair cables are there and what are their applications and how many categories are there. All these things I will discuss. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. So if you see the twisted pair cables, it comprises of two separate insulated copper wires which are twisted together and run in parallel. As the name suggests that they are twisted, and it is a pair of two separate copper wires. So we have a copper wires which are used to transfer the data and another one is used for ground reference. So one copper wire is used to transmit the data and other one is for ground reference. So these twisted pair cables are twisted. Why it is twisted is that to reduce the noise, crosstalks, and also interference, outside interference also, to eliminate them. Especially the twisted, they are used to reduce the noise and crosstalk. Okay, and what are the applications of the twisted pair cables? We can use the twisted pair cables in the telephone lines and also in the LAN technologies. So we will discuss the twisted pair cables in detail. The twisted pair cables are classified into two types. One is unshielded twisted pair cables and second one is shielded twisted pair cables. Let me discuss the difference between unshielded twisted pair cables and the shielded twisted pair cables. The unshielded twisted pair cables, it generally compares of wires and insulators. So if you see that let me draw the diagram here. Okay, I hope you will understand. So these are the copper wires and they will be twisted, and you will have the copper wires and the insulators. Whereas come to the shielded twisted pair cables, we will have the mesh. Okay, the wired mesh will be there. We will add an extra. Okay, they have a braided wire mesh that enhances each pair of insulated wires. So what is the purpose of this extra mesh is that it will reduce the interference further. Okay, from the electromagnetic interference, it will try to avoid when we are using the shielded twisted pair cable. So the shielded twisted pair cables are costly as compared to the unshielded twisted pair cables. So these two will be used in the telephone lines and in the LAN technologies. So we have several categories. So we will discuss each category in detail. We have category 1, unshielded twisted pair cable. Whenever I am writing as UTP, it is unshielded twisted pair cable. Whenever I am writing it as STP, it is a twisted pair, shielded twisted pair cables. Okay. So in category 1, we are using the unshielded twisted pair cable. It gives less than 0.1 Mbps speed. Data rate is 0.1 Mbps. When it comes to the category 2, we are using the unshielded twisted pair and it is giving the data rate of 2 Mbps. Coming to the category 3, it will be used in the LANs and gives the maximum data rate of 10 Mbps. Okay, when it comes to the category 4, we will use it in the token ring. In LAN, we have Ethernet, token ring and token bus. So category 4 cables are used in the token ring, and it is giving the maximum data rate of 20 Mbps. Okay. And in category 5 we are using in the LAN, meaning is that Ethernet, and it is giving the data rate of 100 Mbps. And in category 6 it giving the data rate of 200 Mbps, and even we are using it in the Ethernet. And category 7 is a shielded twisted pair cable, STP. It is used in the LANs, and it is giving the data rate of 10 Mbps. So I hope you have understood what is a twisted pair cable, what is its application, how many types of twisted pair cables are there, and what are their categories, and what are the data rates, and where we will use. I hope you have understood the concept. If you still have any doubts, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. If you really like my video, please press the like button, share the video with your friends, subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching my videos.